What's up, my friends? We're back at it again. It is 10:30 in the morning. Debatably in the morning, because now that I think about it, 8 would be like in the morning, and like 10 is closer to early noon. Anyways, we're back at it again, and today, just gonna talk about. I think I found out what my niche is gonna be. Now that I can start walking again, oh, Jesus. I want to start doing reviews of stuff in places in the city. Yeah, so I think that's going to be like the big overarching one, right? Is doing different scenes and different reviews of coffee shops and whatnot in San Francisco. Also, I love plants. You guys can see some of the plants behind me. But yeah, so also trying to figure out how can I integrate this together. So I'm going with plants, reviewing San Francisco stuff, meshing them together, and then also trying to figure out, all right, so I'm starting a second YouTube channel, and that one, so I've been playing video games and streaming for around 3 years, and it's only been for fun. Haven't really cared about doing anything with it, but just recently I thought, hey, why not try to do something with it? So I created a second channel called Know Your Fate 02, which is my gamer tag. Long story short, my brother had Know Your Fate, and years ago, he was like, dude, you should do Know Your Fate 02. And I was like, brilliant. So I did with that. Know Your Fate 02 is the second channel, and that channel is just going to be strictly gaming, and I'm going to see, what could we do with that? But one of the things that I want to do on this channel is view a channel starting from zero, and if done right, what happens, right? So that's kind of the idea of that. What you're going to be able to find here moving forward is reviews on places in San Francisco, plants, and just my journal. So that being said, yeah, I'm just gonna try to pound out some more content. I think the way that I have things set up now, hopefully a lot of more shots are just gonna be like this, just sit down talking. But we'll do it. That being said, y'all, I hope you have a good and blessed day. Until then, till next time, have a good one.